Yo, what's up, guys? Oh my god. No way. No way. Oh, oof. Guys, this is, oh, no, did it, oh, it's okay. I thought it shut down. Oh my god. Oh my god, look, man. This is a truly water cooling. Oh my god, no way. No freaking way. So this is a laptop. What I did is I put the heatsink in the water, simply. Oh my god. Okay, the USB is working. Okay. All right. Don't mind these are dead pixels. So what we will do is we will go to HW info. Okay. I really want to see the temps. Oh my god. Water cooling ultimate. Oh my god. Alright, oh my god, I can't believe this worked, bro. No freaking way. No freaking way. Just look at the like positioning. So okay, so we will run HW info. By the way, guys, this is my old laptop. I just ripped it off, and yeah, I'm just doing some random stuff. Okay, so the temps are actually like somewhat good. I mean, 43C. I want to stress test. Oh my god, the temps are not looking good. I think I need to add more water. I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay, guys, we have water. We have water. More water. Water, mate. Give me some water. Oh my god, if I spelled on the motherboard, it will be rest in peace. So carefully, very carefully. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think this is okay. Okay. Alright, how much? The temps still is, honestly, it's still terrible. First of all, let's play some Minecraft. Right? Alright. The specs are absolutely garbage. It's i3 first gen, mobile as well, and the GPU is Intel graphics only. Intel graphics, only that. But I mean, look at this. Wow, I really don't know how I got this idea. To be, oh my god, look at the temps. The temps is not looking good, man. I believe it will shut down. Yeah, it's very unresponsive right now. 73, 85, 90. This is not looking good. Not looking good. As you can see, it's, I believe it will crash. Yeah, probably. Heat pipe, I think it's bent. You can see the bent over here. Yeah, it's bent, so the doing a good job, right? Okay, so oh my god. Okay, Minecraft. We'll play some Minecraft here. Okay, I'll try to play the same mode. Okay, 89. Oh. But at least, I mean, okay.